In the world of cybersecurity, the tools and languages we use evolve rapidly. Today, we're diving into the most used programming languages in cybersecurity from 2000 to 2025. Stay tuned as we explore how these languages have shaped the cybersecurity landscape. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the most used programming languages that have been shaping the cybersecurity world for over 2 decades. From assembly, C and Python, to Go, Rust, and TypeScript, each language has played a crucial role in securing systems and tackling vulnerabilities. Whether you're an aspiring cybersecurity professional or a seasoned expert, understanding these languages is key to mastering the digital security space. We'll walk through the rise of each language, looking at its global user base and its growth in popularity over the years. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the evolution of programming languages in the context of cybersecurity.